What's happening, guys? This is part two after the build. That's the finished product here. Just wanted to start it up, show you what it looks like. Couple things, couple complications. I couldn't use the aftermarket heat sink. It was not enough clearance with the big fan. And I did finally decide to put my old video card back in. I just wasn't getting the frame rates that I wanted to with the APU. But that's basically what it looks like. As you can see, it boots up pretty fast. And also I decided to get the wife matching case, except this one has pink on the front. I don't know if you can see that. And it's got a red fan there. So that's it. Everything went pretty good. Hit me up if you have any questions.